Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type high voltage sign in Word. So this is very easy to insert. So first you need to click on insert and last option symbol and more symbols. Just click on it. So one screen will be open. You need to font select this one. Now you need to type this character code. So click on this drop down and you select it, this font. So you need to just type 26A1. Just type 20 this 26A1. You see this high voltage sign, there is name. So click on insert and close it. So very easily you can insert high voltage sign in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.